Unveiling the dark allure of pain and pleasure. Why do some people find pleasure in pain? This intriguing question invites us to explore the psychology of sadomasochism, where the boundaries between pain and pleasure blur, revealing complex layers of human desire and emotional satisfaction. Sadomasochism refers to deriving pleasure from inflicting or experiencing pain. It intertwines pain and pleasure, challenging traditional notions of sensation. This dynamic plays a significant role in the exploration of limits and self-discovery for many individuals. Historically, sadomasochism has oscillated between fascination and condemnation. Ancient cultures often depicted it in rituals and mythology, while modern society has gradually shifted from viewing it as deviant to recognizing it as a consensual expression of sexuality. Psychological theories propose that sadomasochism appeals due to its capacity to provide heightened sensory experiences and emotional release. It allows individuals to confront and process complex emotions, offering a unique pathway to personal empowerment and liberation. Pain can trigger pleasure responses in the brain by activating the release of endorphins and other neurotransmitters. This biochemical reaction creates a sensation of euphoria, explaining why some individuals seek out pain as a source of pleasure. For some, sadomasochism offers a profound emotional release. Engaging in these practices can help individuals process deep-seated emotions, leading to catharsis. This release often provides a sense of relief and emotional clarity, enhancing personal well-being. Sadomasochism intricately involves control and power dynamics. Participants often find excitement in the consensual exchange of power, where one surrenders control while the other assumes it. This dynamic can be deeply empowering and liberating for both parties involved. Attachment theory provides insights into sadomasochism, suggesting that these practices may fulfill specific emotional needs. Secure, anxious, or avoidant attachment styles can influence how individuals form bonds, seeking intimacy and connection through these unique interactions. Society often stigmatizes sadomasochism due to misconceptions and taboos. This stigma results in misunderstanding and judgment, overshadowing the consensual and fulfilling nature of these practices. Challenging societal views is essential for fostering acceptance and understanding. Consent and safety are paramount in sadomasochism. Practitioners prioritize clear communication and boundaries, ensuring mutual agreement and understanding. Safe practices foster trust and respect, creating a secure environment where participants can explore their desires freely. Consent and safety are paramount in sadomasochistic practices, ensuring all parties are comfortable and willing participants. Establishing clear boundaries and open communication helps create a secure environment where individuals can explore their desires without fear or harm. Personal stories from those who practice sadomasochism reveal a diverse range of experiences and motivations. These testimonies highlight the importance of understanding and respecting individual preferences, while also dispelling stereotypes by showcasing the depth of human sexuality. Misconceptions about sadomasochism often stem from misunderstanding and fear. By debunking myths, such as the notion that it always involves violence or psychological damage, we can foster a more informed and compassionate perspective toward these consensual practices. The thrill of sadomasochism lies in its ability to provide a unique psychological rush. This exhilaration often comes from the heightened sensations and emotional intensity, which can be both exciting and deeply fulfilling for those who partake. Sadomasochism can enhance emotional connections between partners, as the shared experiences often lead to increased trust and intimacy. Engaging in these practices can strengthen bonds, allowing couples to explore their relationship dynamics in profound and meaningful ways. Sadomasochism has a notable presence in literature and media, often depicted with a sense of intrigue and mystery. From classic novels to contemporary films, these representations shape societal perceptions and contribute to the allure of the practice. Fantasy and imagination are integral to sadomasochistic practices, providing a space where individuals can explore desires safely. The ability to step into different roles and scenarios enhances the emotional and psychological experience, adding depth to the practice. Gender dynamics in sadomasochism reveal nuanced interactions, with traditional roles sometimes reversed or exaggerated. These dynamics challenge societal norms, offering a unique lens through which to understand power and identity in intimate relationships. Evolutionary psychology suggests that sadomasochism may have roots in primal survival mechanisms. The interplay of pain and pleasure could be linked to adaptive behaviors, providing insight into why these practices resonate deeply with some individuals. The BDSM community offers a supportive network for those interested in sadomasochism, fostering acceptance and understanding. Within this community, individuals find camaraderie and resources, encouraging safe, consensual exploration of their desires and identities. The BDSM community offers a supportive environment for those interested in sadomasochism, providing resources and education about safe practices. It encourages open dialogue about consent and boundaries, fostering a sense of belonging and mutual understanding among its members. Sadomasochism is distinct from abuse, as it relies on mutual consent and respect. Practitioners emphasize communication and trust, ensuring all parties are comfortable and willing participants. This distinction is crucial for ethical engagement in these activities. Common practices in sadomasochism include bondage, role-playing, and sensation play. Each activity is tailored to the participant's preferences and comfort levels, with safety measures in place. These rituals often enhance intimacy and trust between partners. Incorporating sadomasochism into relationships can deepen emotional bonds, offering partners unique ways to explore desires and vulnerabilities. By navigating power dynamics together, couples often strengthen their trust and communication, enriching their overall connection. Practitioners of sadomasochism may exhibit diverse psychological profiles, often characterized by high levels of empathy and self-awareness. These traits help them navigate the complex dynamics of power and vulnerability, ensuring a respectful and fulfilling experience for all involved. In many jurisdictions, legal considerations around sadomasochism hinge on consent and potential harm. Practitioners must be aware of local laws to ensure their activities remain within legal boundaries, focusing on mutual consent and safety to prevent misunderstandings. Endorphins, naturally produced in the brain, play a crucial role in the pain-pleasure dynamic of sadomasochism. These chemicals act as natural painkillers and mood enhancers, transforming painful sensations into pleasurable experiences for many individuals. When exploring sadomasochism, it's essential to maintain an open mind and discretion, recognizing the diversity of human experiences. Understanding the boundaries between consensual practices and potential harm fosters a more informed and empathetic perspective. Encourage thoughtful dialogue by sharing your thoughts on the intricacies of sadomasochism. Engage with others who are curious about the complexities of human psychology, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of psychological exploration.